I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fate Hollow Ataraxia. To begin, immerse yourself in the rich narrative of this visual novel. You will experience a unique blend of daily life segments and intense supernatural events. The game unfolds through text, images, and sound, requiring your active participation in the story. Prepare to delve into a world where familiar characters return for new adventures, offering a fresh perspective on the Holy Grail War. Your journey through Fate Hollow Ataraxia involves navigating a detailed map, where new locations and character encounters await. Each decision you make, from dialogue options to exploration paths, significantly impacts the unfolding narrative and your relationships with the cast. Don't forget to participate in the exciting card battle minigame, which offers fun diversions and valuable in-game rewards to enhance your experience. The game features a compelling main story centered around Bazit and the mysterious Avenger, offering a fresh perspective on the Holy Grail War. Beyond this, you will uncover dozens of intricate side stories, each delving deeper into the lives of your favorite characters. Your choices throughout the game are crucial, as they directly lead to one of several distinct endings, encouraging multiple playthroughs. To fully appreciate Fate Hollow Ataraxia, remember to save your progress often. This allows you to easily revisit key decision points and explore alternative dialogue paths, uncovering every nuance of the story. Make sure to re-explore previously visited locations, as new events and character interactions frequently appear. Finally, consult the comprehensive in-game encyclopedia to deepen your understanding of the rich lore and diverse cast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.